In this video, I'm going to show you how to load the paper tray of your Canon Selphy CP1500 printer. So that's a photo printer. Paper tray comes separately. You have to open it from this end like this, and again you can lift it up and it will completely open like this. Now take the Canon take your Canon photo paper. You just have to place it here, so glossy side should be facing up, and you can simply close it. Make sure you lift it up like this and then open the front door of your printer, and this tray will simply go here, so you just have to insert. Once you hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly, and now you can start printing with it. This way we can install the photo paper and load the paper tray in your printer. Thanks for watching.